Guys, welcome back to the channel. So you want the cleanest window you can possibly get? Well, I'm going to show you the steps right now on this quick tutorial video on how to get the cleanest windows on your car. The first thing you want to do is you want to get yourself a tight waffle weave cloth. Now this microfiber towel is made by Chemical Guys. It has the silk lining so it doesn't scratch your paint. You also want to remember to remove the tag as well to reduce any scratching. This is a waffle weave. It's tight. It's not one of those cheap O'Reilly's white microfiber towels that leaves that white crap all over your car when you're scrubbing your windows down. This is a premium towel. Links will be in the description below. Okay, that's the first step. You also want to use yourself some streak-free glass cleaner. Now Windex works just as well, but I just happen to have Chemical Guys detailing product with me, so I'm going to be using the streak-free window cleaner. This is tint safe, so you can use it on your tint without having to worry about the tint peeling off. Third step you're going to want to do is get yourself a clay bar. Now you don't want to use a whole clay bar, you only got to use a little bit, so I use about a quarter size of the clay bar. Get yourself some clay luber. This takes off all of the embedded dirt and the imperfections in the glass. Very important when you do this step. And then final step, other than the final wipe down, depending on how old your car is, some hard water spot remover. Now this is from Chemical Guys as well. You want to use a premium microfiber applicator pad to apply this product, but this will remove all the hard water spots from the glass to give you that perfect clean shining glass. So let's go ahead and do this. This is a 2011 BMW. It lives outside. It was a daily driver. All right, so the first step, we're gonna wipe it down with our tight weave waffle weave cloth. A little pro tip or a little hack: open your door so the window goes down a little so you can get the outer edge. If you have a car where there's a door frame around the top of the glass, roll the window down an inch or two so you can get that top of the glass. Now that the window's clean, we're going to go ahead and clay bar it with a little bit of our clay bar and our luber. And as you can see, if the camera zooms in, you can see a little bit of that black dirt on the clay bar that the clay bar took off of the window that the cleaner didn't. Go ahead and rewash the window using a premium microfiber regular towel just to wipe it down. So we got the window washed, we got it clay barred, so all the dirt and the imperfections of the glass removed as much as possible, but now we have hard water spots on the glass. So we're going to take our hard water spot remover, a premium pad applicator. It doesn't need a lot, but you can be generous. A few globs. Now depending on how bad the glass is, it may take a couple tries to get it all off of there. We'll switch back to the waffle weave. Now this car is going to need probably one more application of the water spot remover, so we're going to do that really quick. All right guys, that's it. A little bit of muscle. It's an old car, needs a little bit more work. We got it all done. I'll bring you in for the close-up right now. All right guys, now for the close-up, you can see there's no streaks, no water spots in the glass. You'll see my messy garage, sorry about that. All right, perfectly clean glass. Actually, it looks like it's brand new. All right guys, so this has been a how-to on how to get the cleanest glass, and we'll go through the steps really quick. Wash it, clay lube it, remove the hard water spots, then re-wipe it down. 4 steps. Use a tight waffle weave microfiber towel. Don't use those cheap microfiber towels you get at Costco or O'Reilly's or AutoZone. The ones that are white, you want to get a waffle weave tight knit microfiber towel. So guys, all the product that I use will be in the description below if you want to pick some up on Amazon. That is an affiliate link. I do make a couple pennies if you buy something. I appreciate you watching, and if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing, hit the like button, leave a comment below on how you clean your windows. I love to learn how to do more things. As always, thanks for watching. Peace.